Hi, this is Keith from Silent Auction Biz. Today we are going to cover how to use maximum bidding. The first thing you want to do is log in, and you can tell when you're logged in when you see under the Canadian flag your name and logged in as, then you know you are logged in. We can go to auctions in several different ways. You can see it right under here. You can click on one of the auctions or at the heading at the top called auctions, and that will take you to a longer list of auctions. You just move and click on the auction you want. And this is the auction screen that is showing all the different products. To go into a product to bid, you just click on the picture you want. So let's click on this picture right here. And we're in on the bid screen. So the current bid is $3. The next bid is $4. But we want to use maximum bidding. And if you forget what maximum bidding is, you can see it right here. And when you put your cursor over the question mark, it explains it. Maximum bidding is when you let the computer bid for you. And it'll only bid if it has to, if someone else bids against you. So I'm going to raise the price, and I can type the price in if I want, or I can just keep hitting the plus sign to go up to a certain level. So I'm going to go to $15. You have to check this little box here to make sure that you're agreeing to terms, and then you just click on the place bid. The message will always come up at the top. If it's in green, that's a positive. That means you're winning. It is saying your bid of $4 has been placed successfully. Your maximum bid is $15. So when you go back down here, you can see the current bid is 14 and our bid is 17 because it's remembering we went to 15, but everyone else that goes in, they will only see the next bid as $5. If someone else comes in, they just will see $5 because they don't know what our maximum bid is. So that's how you use maximum bidding. I'm just going to go back to the screen, and then will be able to tell by the word winning under your picture of the unit you bid on to let you know you are winning. If you are losing, you will see this red outbid message. So outbid here in red, or winning green there. And of course, you can see how these pictures are changing. When you put your cursor over the picture, you actually see the second picture or third picture in their lineup. So you can do maximum bidding by clicking on the product. You also can go up to the bid watch list right at the top here, and it keeps track of all the items that you are bidding on and whether you're winning or losing. So you can see that we're winning on this one and this unit, we're winning on this one, we're winning on that one, but you can see we're losing on this one right here, and we're winning on that one. So there's several places that you can see if you are winning. Now to go back to the auction over on this right-hand side, it says, click here to view your auction. And now we're back in the auction where we were bidding. And that is how you can use maximum bidding. You click on the picture, you increase the bid where you want it, and you click on place bid. And then the computer will only bid when it has to. This has been Keith from Silent Auction Biz on how to use maximum bidding.